Every day, more than 100 dialysis centers across Kenya offer treatment to more than 5,000 people with chronic kidney failure. But do you really know why they receive the treatment, or how is it done, and what the patients go through during the whole process? What is dialysis? Dialysis is a type of treatment that helps the body remove extra fluid and waste products from your blood when the kidneys are not able to. It is similar to how kidneys filter blood to produce the urine you pee. There are two types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Here, we explain to you how hemodialysis is done. Elizabeth Jamilis, the head of dialysis unit at Nephromed, explains how the process starts with the patient undergoing physical examination before he or she is started on dialysis.
They put on their gowns. After putting on their gowns, they do the weighing. After the weighing, we direct them to the dialysis bed. We do the physical examination for our patients. That physical examination, it guides us in their treatment.
The whole procedure takes at least 4 hours, but for first-time patients, it takes less time.
First dialysis we do for 2 hours because the patient is trying to adapt to this process.
Patients undergoing dialysis have different access points. These make it easier to access the bloodstream. There are those with catheters and those with arteriovenous AV fistulas. These are connected to the dialysis machine. The machine draws blood from your body through an artery, filters it through a dialyzer, an artificial kidney, which moves waste into dialysis solution. The cleaned blood is then returned to the patient's body through a different needle in a vein in the access point. The dialysis machine also monitors the patient's blood pressure to adjust how fast blood flows in and out of his or her body. The process may be done 2 to 3 times a week depending on the severity of kidney failure.
You get maybe the 2 sessions are not really bringing the fruits. So it has to be scheduled for 3 times a week so that at least to see as you monitor how the kidneys are doing the work.
During the procedure, the patient is monitored hourly, but there is an exception for patients who are so sick. The monitoring is done after every half an hour.
Most of these patients have a problem, especially for patients with kidney failure stage 5. The kidneys are damaged completely.
Anyone with advanced chronic kidney disease or kidney failure needs dialysis. This is when the kidneys are not able to clean the blood properly. Hence, waste products and fluid can accumulate to dangerous levels in the body. You should also take note of factors that can increase your risk of chronic kidney disease. These are high blood pressure, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, obesity, family history of kidney disease, and frequent use of medications that can damage the kidneys. Statistics from the Kenya Renal Association estimate that 4 million Kenyans are suffering from kidney disease. By the year 2030, the number will rise to 4.8 million. While the prevalence of kidney disease has been on the rise, it is important to note that dialysis is a temporary solution to the chronic kidney failure, as one plans to have a kidney transplant done at the soonest possible.